And we're back. Everything's funny at 3 a.m. This is Dub playing the cat lady. So the guy said he's gonna call us next Friday. Will we answer? And I'm just gonna say no.
No, I'm sorry, but this is over. Goodbye and good luck. I guess I should do something about these flowers. I'd really like to keep them, but I don't want Eric to know I have a secret admirer.
So where are we gonna throw the flowers? You just throw them off the balcony. Let's just throw them off the balcony. Shove them in the piano. Coffee table. Zoe's bedroom. Let's go in there. Throw them out the window. Shelf. Cot. Okay, leave her alone. Guess we'll go to the bedroom. Oh. I need to get rid of the flowers. What am I gonna do? Coffee table. Eric bought this table, blah blah blah. I don't really care. Examine, play. No, I can't play now. I would wake up. Okay, alright. Hey, what does this say? It's a wedding gift from Eric's father. Don't care about any of these things. Shove it in the garbage disposal. Okay. What did I miss? What did I miss? Okay, we shove them inside the piano, right? We're gonna shove them in the baby's crib? Because that's just wrong, man. Here. Go to the shelf. Okay, we'll just put
Now I can tell Eric that Mandy had brought them for Zoe. It seems like a pretty innocent lie.
You keep
I
telling
doubt he'll
yourself
notice
that.
anyway. I hope you're dreaming about something nice, my little star.
That's nice.
Eric must have come home early. But why?
Let's go see what the douchebag wants. And it's so quiet. Hurry up, walk faster, jeez. Come on, lady. This is Eric.
You're back early.
That's Eric. Really?
Is something
This
wrong?
guy.
Yeah. Well, let's think about it for a minute.
Okay, he is an asshole.
Something wrong? Yes, Susan, there is. Didn't you watch television? Listen to the radio? Didn't talk to anyone today?
What
Is
happened?
he like foreign?
Eric, just tell me what's wrong, okay?
Yeah,
It was those
douchebag.
bloody terrorists again, here
Oh,
on
okay.
our doorstep. Would you believe that?
So, it was a bomb.
Yes, in a restaurant. There's chaos spreading all through the city. Everyone's panicking. The police and army are everywhere. But
okay?
you don't even care, do you, Susan?
Calm the fuck down, bro.
Jesus. Are you alright?
I'm fine.
Did you get hurt?
No, not really. But the
Okay.
cat smashed quite badly.
Okay.
I was just there when it happened.
No wonder he's freaked out.
There was smoke. Clouds of dust so thick you couldn't see a fucking thing.
Couldn't
So
see
I
a
stopped,
fucking thing.
and all of a sudden some van hits me from the back. I hear my passengers screaming and shouting, and there's blood on the rear window. And just then another car drives right into us, and we're all stuck in that mess. Nobody knows what's going on, but imagining this might just be the end of the world. But no, it was some geezer with a bloody bomb. They closed all the main streets, in case there's more of them.
What time was that?
Around 7 p.m., I spent another 2 hours trying to get someone to tow the damn cab to the garage. Would you believe? Our insurance doesn't even cover this sort of thing.
You should have called me.
I did. 4 times. You didn't answer.
I must have been...
Yeah. You were busy with the baby. Every time it's the same old story.
Whoa, bro, chill
We've
out.
still got that wine in the fridge, haven't we? Get some glasses, Susan. I need a drink.
Here we go.
How about get some glasses, please?
I'm really not in the mood for your nagging, okay? I've had a really bad day.
But
Dude, this dude's
are
an
you sure
asshole.
you don't want to take a shower first?
No, I just need a drink.
Alright,
can
you
wash
can
me.
get your own fucking drink, bro. What an asshole. Here, I'll get you your fucking glasses. I hope you fucking choke on it. Choke on the wine. Somehow. Somehow you choke on wine. I hope you drown in it.
Are you gonna get that? If it's Jerry, tell him I'm not here. I don't want to talk to them tonight.
See, this is why you need a cell phone.
Hello?
It's me again. I'm sorry, but I had to hear your voice again. I love you, Susan.
This dude needs to chill.
Susan? You still there? Please, say something. Anything.
I'm sorry, but he's not home.
Excuse me? He's at work, isn't he?
He's not home yet, Jerry. Why don't you try again in the morning? He won't be back till late, right?
Is that Jerry? I'm not here, just blow him off.
Susan, I'm so sorry. Should I hang up?
All right. Take care then.
Thank God that's
Then
over.
the arguing started.
Oh, God.
It slowly grew into something bigger, something horrible. Stupid remarks and old grudges mixed with alcohol turned into some sick exchange of pointless accusations. It wasn't the first time we argued, but it was the last.
Look at the
Nice.
state of this place. It's a mess. Listen, I know you're with Zoe all day, but it's not like she's still a little baby. She's 6 months already. You'll have to organize your day a bit better and get things done.
You'll have to
If other
do
women
this
find
and do
time,
that.
why can't you?
Here,
Eric, you're drunk.
get off
Get
my
off my
case,
case, all
bro.
right? Look, I understand you've had a very bad day, but it's not my fault that the bomb had gone off and your car was damaged. I'd really like you to calm down now. I'm sure we can sort everything out. We always do.
Well, that's what you think.
Yeah?
God.
And what do you think, Eric?
What
think
do
I
I
should
think?
hit you over the fucking
So it
head with
matters
the
all
wine
of a sudden
bottle.
what I think. Well, I'll tell you. Sure. I think you're lazy, Susan. You
Oh.
do nothing all day, while I keep working my ass off to provide for this family. I think you're trying to shift the responsibility on me, like you always did.
God, this
I
guy.
think you use the baby as an excuse for everything.
And I think you're an asshole. How
Yeah.
dare you accuse me of such things?
It only takes one look at the flat to see it's all true.
Mm. Here.
Don't be nasty. I'm doing all I can.
Are you really? Okay, doing all you can. You obviously care about your husband, coming home after a hard day's work. He's gonna be hungry. But wait, where's his dinner? Oh, let me guess. You didn't make it because you were too busy changing nappies, and singing, and playing, and washing.
Alright, this guy needs to
Yeah,
shut
I
his
think
fucking
so.
face.
And I'm not going to feel guilty about it. If you'd spent more time with our daughter yourself, you'd know how important these things are. So pardon me, there's no dinner for a hard-working husband. From now on, he's gonna have to cook for himself. Because, you know what? The wife is working just as hard, and she's really tired of being treated this way.
She better get used to it, cause this is just the start.
She
There's gonna
better
be some
get
changes
used to
around
it.
here. I'm fed up of being pushed around by you. I put the bread on our table, don't I? I'm the man in this family!
You're
I will
tearing
make the
me
rules,
apart,
and I get the
Lisa!
respect I deserve.
I'm done talking to you.
Of course you are. That's what you always do, isn't it? You run out of arguments, you stop talking to me, then you lock yourself in the bathroom and fucking cry. I'm sick of repeating the same old thing over and over again.
Then why won't you give me a break, for God's sake? You're acting like I've done something terrible. I don't even know what your problem is. Is there something you're not telling me, Eric?
You'd know if you listened to me. But you never listen to me, do you? Not to a single word I've ever said.
Right, here we go. It's not you. It's the alcohol speaking. I shouldn't be taking any of this seriously. I know that tomorrow you'll be apologizing to me for it.
It was just a couple of glasses and you had some too. I'm not drunk.
And you had some too!
I wish I was. Maybe then I could laugh at this shitty life and not care so much.
That's a good one. You really care so much, Eric. You should get a medal or something.
I thought you said you weren't gonna talk to me no more. You are full of shit, Susan. Full of shit.
Full of shit! Alright guys, we'll continue arguing with Eric on the next part of this series.